Is this a church or a train station?
Train station.
Is this marble?
Different stones, it looks like.
You know what? I walk like 5 miles every day. Good.
This is a nice waiting area. Like, look at those chairs. So where's our ride? Is it on the schedule there?
Hola, Yesenia. Feliz tiempo de Navidad. Feliz Año Nuevo.
One of these windows over here.
So our train is backing in and out. Kind of slow.
Good morning, everybody. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
This is business class?
Yes, it is.
Where do we go?
Car 14 is the last car. Last car.
To Oakland?
Yeah.
Done.
Good morning. Good morning.
So what you're telling me is
You are reading it online or what? I don't think so. Because
see
it's
this
a...
bridge? This
Uh-huh.
is where they drove to in the movie Grease, and they're tearing it down. So this is the last you'll see.
Really?
This one here. So when you see them racing, they race to this bridge.
Wow.
Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen, this is
That was
Nancy. I'll be
interesting.
making my way to the train at this time for lunch reservation.
So they would
For
have gone
those of
down
you who
here.
are traveling in a party of
But
three or
there's
less,
water.
remember we do
There
practice
wasn't.
community seating here in the dining hall, and that'll give you a chance to sit with some folks you don't know and make some
Is there much water in
So ladies and
winter?
gentlemen, keep your eye out. This is
It's been
Nancy.
raining.
I'm walking
It's been
this
raining,
train
yeah.
for lunch reservation.
think I'll have that place.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Beggars can't be choosers.
Here we go, my dear. Oh yes, that's right. Hi everybody. That's right. Good job. There we go. Take this away.
Are you European?
I'm from
North Carolina. He's
I'm
from
from
Europe.
Europe.
I'm North Carolina, but I live here in LA.
We're in Texas.
South of San Antonio, between Laredo and San Antonio.
So what do people have? What are they prejudiced against?
Racism. Latin, like the Spanish, the whites are racist against Latinos, but weren't even allowed to live close to us. They were not allowed. It was so bad. Like and I used to think that's normal, but it's not. Like we used to have a restaurant where the Greyhound bus used to go from San Antonio to Laredo. They would stop and break, and it said they made a back room. It says they were not even allowed to eat with us.
He's from Slovakia, right?
Czechoslovakia, right? I'm Slovak.
Oh, you're a Slovak.
Because they split.
It's Russian, yeah.
No.
No, it's not Russian.
It's not. We're different from Russians. Yeah. It's next to Ukraine. It's like, you know what?
Czechoslovakia, after the fall, split into the Czech Republic and Slovakia. So they're two separate countries now.
Yeah.
$11, please.
Hi, guys. Alcohol in my iced tea.
I've been living at the job, it's 6 people, and they're going and coming, I never know what the schedules are, and then my other bus comes.
Well, maybe it's what I thought the whole train was.
Oh boy. Ooh, this is the.
It's the observation. That's your cafe right there.
Oh, it's closed right now.
Hi, precious. Hi, sweetheart.
Enough water.
That's the new one.
Yeah, when did they open it?
2 years.